Here we got the famous Mustang Sally, our RS1 build that was featured on the cover of UTV Off-Road magazine. This has a factory UTV cage on it, front bumper, rear bumper, full skid package, Nerf bars. It's got the incredible OMF billet wheels on it that are just gorgeous. Assault UTV mirrors and steering wheel, and of course FUTV Army. PRP built us an old vintage looking seat, super comfortable, goes with the theme of the build. There's that assault wheel, really nice stuff. Got the carbon fiber gauge panels, the little assault grenade shifter lever. Cutic works, just absolutely killed it on the wrap. They are without a doubt the best in the business. Cognito with a super nice suspension front and rear. Some of the best working suspension that I've ever used driving. California Custom Trailer helped us out with the fender flares. Walker Evans did an incredible job revalving our shocks for that long travel. Again, the incredible OMF wheels. Aerospace Facilities Group did all the powder coating for us. Did a super Sano job on that. Assault. Incredible arms by Cognito Motorsports.
Yeah.